everybody, it's Chris
and Max
at Dean's Creek Ranch. Hey, wanted to share with you guys, a friend of mine, Josh, was in town, and Josh actually shot the video. We were down feeding the cows, and we had a flyby on the ranch. We had a small single-engine airplane do a low pass, and he came back around and did a serious low pass, right, Max?
Yeah, and his friend Josh flies cargo planes.
Yeah, Josh flies cargo planes. He's works for Omni. He flies internationally all over the world. He was out here doing a little bit of training at DFW. And long story short is, we got a flyby. So I just saw the videos again, and I thought I'd throw it up on the channel. Anyway, like, subscribe.
Hit that notification bell.
What? Enjoy the videos. And what do we say at Dean's Creek Ranch?
See ya!
It's Charlie Brown.
It's Charlie Brown.
Here he comes. Say hi. Say hi.
You go, thumbs up.
Charlie Brown. Thumbs up. Say hi. Max, say hi. Oh, he's waving.
I saw him waving.
Oh, cool. I saw him waving at us. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, he's getting low for us. He's throttling down. Hey!
Yes!
He got right as low as a tree line for us.
Nice!
Hey, he saw us, huh?
Oh, clearly.